Ano ba to? Ayaw umanda ng panel ko. Parang hindi gumagana yung contactor. Putol kaya linya? Saan kaya ang problema na to? Sino tatawagin ko? Electrician ba? Water refilling station? Technician? Kaya ba nila to? Yes, meron po kaming webinar this coming end of November. And yung final date, ibibigay po namin sa inyo. But this is all about wiring a control panel ng water refilling station. So, from here, matututo po kayong mag-wire ng mga circuit breaker with push button, mga ilaw, plus magnetic starter din kung sino magnetic contactor, overload relays, indication lamps, automatic flashing. Tuturo po namin lahat yun in the easiest way possible. So, meron po kami mga drawings doon. Pwede nyo kopyahin yung drawing. Pero napakasimple po ng aming lecture. Kahit po high school grad lang kayo or kahit elementary graduate na kayo, kaya-kaya niyo pong intindihin to. So this is the time that you can learn simple electrical wiring ng control panel with our webinar this coming end of November. The final date will be announced, but there will be an early bird discount for those who will reserve a slot. So maraming salamat po. And you make sure that you invest in yourself. No basic wiring, no basic electrical wiring, and then yung control panel troubleshooting, malalaman niyo po lahat dito sa aming webinar, Enriquez Water training po. Maraming salamat po, and I hope to see you there sa end of November in our webinar. God bless.